In this episode, we will show you the way to register a single-tenant application with Azure Active Directory. Now, let's create a new application. Select App Registrations. Choose New Registration. Set your company integration using HexaSync platform. And click Register. In App Setting, select API Permission. Please set permissions for 4 API access: Dynamics ERP, Dynamics Data Integration, Dynamics Lifecycle, and Microsoft Graph. And remember, please select Grant Admin Consent for your company. Now, you can see the green stick in the status column. Let's move on to the next section. In the Certificates and Secrets, choose New Client Secrets. And set the description for Access Token. When the client secret has been created, you can see the value and secret ID in your dashboard. Please save the value immediately, because it will be hidden when you reload the page. Thank you for your watching. We will show you how to generate access token for API usage in the next video. Hexa. Connecting applications. Automating processes.